Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at a compact yet powerful kitchen essential, the Sangcon 1000W Smoothie Blender. If you're someone who enjoys smoothies, protein shakes, or even quick meal prep, this blender is designed to make your life easier. It comes with a 1000-watt motor, which is pretty impressive for a personal-sized blender. That means it can handle ice, frozen fruits, and even tougher ingredients like nuts and spices without struggling. One of the biggest highlights here is the convenience. Instead of one large jar, you get 3 different cups, which makes it perfect for individual use. Whether you're making a morning smoothie or a post-workout shake, you can blend directly in the cup, put on the lid, and take it with you, no extra cleanup needed. Speaking of lids, it includes multiple options like spout covers, a storage cap, and a to-go cap. So you can either drink immediately or store your blend for later. That flexibility is great for busy routines. Performance-wise, this blender does a solid job at crushing ice and blending frozen drinks smoothly. The blades are designed to create a consistent texture, so you don't end up with chunks in your drink. Another advantage is its compact design. It doesn't take up much space on your kitchen counter, making it ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or even office use. Despite its size, it still delivers strong performance. Cleaning is also simple. Since the blending happens in the same cup you drink from, you just rinse it out or give it a quick wash, and you're done. Overall, if you're looking for a budget-friendly, portable, and powerful smoothie blender for everyday use, the Sangcon 1000W is definitely worth considering. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews like this.